In this session of work, energy and power, we are going to discuss some problems, and these problems are based on to find work done using the graphical approach. This one is the problem. In this problem, the force F is acting on a particle along the direction of the displacement of the body, and this force is changing according to this graph with the position x of the particle. We have to find the total work done performed by the force F if the particle is displaced from the origin to 2 meter. As we know that the work done by the force F is given by the area under this graph. Now we are going to discuss the solution of this problem in detail. This one is the force and position graph. We have to find the total work done. Hence, to find the total work done, we have to take the area of this rectangle and area of this triangle. This one is the area of the rectangle plus this one is the area of the triangle. Hence, the work done performed by the force F is given by area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle. Area of the rectangle is given by height 100 Newton and this one is the 1.2 meter. Right? The product of 100 into 1.2 which will give 120 joule, that will be the area of this one. Now the area of the triangle is half height 100 and the base is 0.8. The area of the triangle is half height 100 Newton into 0.8 meter which will give 40 joule or 40 Newton meter. By adding these two area, get the total work done by the force F will be 160 joule. There is another approach to find the total work done. What we can do, we can take the area of this complete trapezium, because this one is a trapezium and the area of the trapezium will be half sum of parallel sides. This side and this side is parallel sides. This side is 1.2 meter and this side is 2 meter. Hence the sum of parallel side is 1.2 plus 2, that will come out 3.2 into perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides, and the perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides 100 Newton. Hence this one is the 100, this one is the area of the trapezium. By doing simple calculation, you will get the value of 160 joule. This one is the total work done by the force F.